Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a new chapter. That is chapter number 4. Tick, tick, tick. Yes, tick, tick, tick. What is a tick, tick, tick? So, tick, tick, tick. So, in clock, you see tick, tick, tick. Okay. So, in clock, tick, tick, tick. That second hand. Okay. Okay. When it starts on rotating. Okay. Okay. Seconds. Okay. If you see this clock here, so observe my dear students. Now 1 minute, एक मिनट में 60 seconds होते हैं और 60 minutes will make 1 hour and 24 hours will make 1 day. Okay. Now I will show you this clock. Okay. Now see here. This is the clock. Okay. Now this hand, this tick 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 is going on, tick 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 tick, it will go on. Okay. So when it started from 12, 1 second, 2 second, 5 second, it will come on 1, 10 seconds, then 15 seconds. Now it is 20 seconds. When we reach to 4, 20 seconds, then 25 seconds. So this is second hands, my dear students, second hands. Okay. So when you reach to 12, so it will make 60 seconds. And this if you observe now, it will shift, this minute hand will shift to this one when it will reach to 12. See here, you observe it. तो अभी 12 पे जाएगा. See, there is change in, now see the minute hand, see this minute hand, now it is rotating, shifting to this point. Okay. So like this. Actually, this is machinery thing. Okay. See here, I'll get the point. Actually, it is when we come to 6, that time it is reaching. Okay. So when it reach to 6, so then it is reaching. Okay. The setting is done like that. Okay. Okay. So now if you want to observe again, from 6 it started. Okay. Yeah. So again see here, when it come to 6, straight away it will reach here 1 minute. Okay. This will observe that for few. देखो थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. 6 से 6 तक आने तक this minute hand will shift here. See here, slower it is moving, the minute hand. Now when it reach to 6, it will exactly here, the minute hand. Dekho. Now in this machinery it is like that. Okay. So yeah, complete one rotation. Okay, 60 seconds. Now see, now when it is coming to 6, when this second hand is coming to 6, the second hand will come to 6, this is reaches to this line. See here, it will reach. Now it is reached. Yes. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. Okay. 60 seconds make 1 minute. Okay. In the same manner, 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay. So when it will complete, this minute hand will complete this when it reaches to 12. So straight away, now it is now the timing is 9. Now it will become 9:25. Now it will become 9:25 when this second will reach tier 6. Okay. So straight away 9:25. Now it is showing 9:25 timing. Okay. 9:25. Okay. Then so okay, so 60 minutes make 1 hour, 24 hours make 1 day. Okay, day and night. Okay, 12 hours 1 day. So I am having 12 hours clock. So now it is morning. From night 12 midnight, रात के 12 बजे के बाद से morning हो गया. Okay, according to this clock. So AM. Okay, 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, 5 AM, 6 AM, 7 AM, 8, 9. So it is 9:25. The timing is 9:25. Okay. and your first period starts at 9:30. Still 5 minutes are there to start the first period. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now so yeah, half past 7 means 30 minutes passed by 7. Okay, I'll show this to you practically. Okay, so that you can understand. Half past, past, the word past, past means the minute hand will pass 7. Okay, 30 minutes से आगे. Okay, means 7:30 बज गए actually. Okay, quarter past 1 means 7 बज के, quarter past 1 means 1:15. पास्ट, एक को क्रॉस गया, एक बज चुके, पास्ट. ओके, ये पास्ट हो गया, पास्ट टेंस में चले गया, भूतकाल. सो पास्ट वर्ड इज कमिंग मीन्स इट हैज ऑलरेडी गॉन फर्दर. इसके आगे चल चुका है. ओके, 13 minutes past 7 and 15 minutes past 1. So I will show these two timings to you on the clock. So be ready. Now, half past 7. So it will be 7:30. Okay. So I will show you on the clock 7:30. 7:30. I can't do the full rotation. Yes, I will. 7:30. Yes, 7:30. कितना है? 7:30. Okay, 30 minutes past 7. 7:30. Okay, 7:30 it is. Okay, 7:30. साढ़े 7 बज चुके. दिस इज राइमिंग. सो पास्ट, 7 पाँच चुके. हाफ मीन्स 30 minutes. हाफ ऑफ 6 is 30 minutes. हाफ past 7 means 30 minutes past 7. 30 मिनट, 7:30. ओके, 7 को पास हो चुका है, 7 के आगे जा चुका है. ओके, सो दिस इज, और यू कैन से 7:30. आप लिख सकते हो 7:30. कैन रिटन एज 7:30. And PM it depends on morning or afternoon. Okay, so yes. Now quarter past 1 means 1:15. Now I'll show you. Quarter past 1 को, now the hour hand will pass. Yes. Now it is 1 o'clock. Okay, this is 1 o'clock. Okay, so 1 o'clock. Quarter past 1 means 1:15 means 1:15. Quarter. So 50. This is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1:10, 1:15. So this is 1:15. This is 1:15. Okay, quarter past 1. Okay, 1:15. Then now quarter two means 2. The word 2 denotes that this 2 word. 2 means अभी बजने को है. It has to reach. And past means already बज चुका है. Okay, इतना याद रखो. So yeah. Quarter to 1 मतलब 1 बजने को 15 मिनट. Quarter to 1. See here, quarter part. Quarter to 1. Okay, quarter to 1. Okay, quarter to 1. Okay, quarter 1/4. Okay, एक चपाती की 4 टुकड़े करते हो ना, 1/4 like this. Okay. So yeah, quarter to 1. Okay, so I hope you are getting the concept. Okay, so yes, now I'll show you some timing, few sums. Okay, now see here, now this timing will show, it is 12, 12:50. Okay, 12:50. Okay, still for 1 o'clock 10 minutes are left. When it now it will be 12:55. Okay, then it will be 1 o'clock. Okay, then this is 1:05. Okay, the minute hands. This is 1:10, 1:15, 1:20 when it's 4. Okay, so 12 to 1 5 minutes. Okay, 1 to 2 10, 5 plus 4 10. Okay, so 2 3 15, then 4 20. So now it is 5 4 20, 120. Okay, 125, 130 डेट बज गई है. 135, 145. Okay, now if you want to see this, if it is here, it will be 142. Okay, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and here 145. Or you can say quarter to 2. Now it can say quarter to 145 or quarter to 2. Okay, 2, I'm using the word 2 means अभी बजने को है, बजा नहीं है, बज चुका नहीं. पास्ट बोला तो बज चुका है, उसके आगे. So yeah, 150, 155. Yeah, now it is 2 o'clock. Okay, now it is past quarter past 2. Okay, or 2:15. It is half past 2. Okay, now it is quarter to 3. 3 बजे 15 मिनट, quarter to 3 बजने को. ओके, और ये था हाफ पास्ट, टिल यर हाफ पास्ट. और ये दिस इज क्वार्टर पास्ट. ओके, ये साइड 3 पे. जब 9 पे काटा रहा तो quarter to. Okay, it is quarter to 3. Okay, so I have student getting concept. Have a nice day. Yes, we can see in Zoom pad. Okay, have a nice day.